Hi, my name is Frank Jordan, and I'm a utility plumber supervisor 2 for the City Distribution Division here in San Francisco. I oversee the construction and maintenance personnel that install water mains and water connections. I personally am very proud to work with the people at the City Distribution Division because whether there's a fire or a main break, these folks come on scene and get the job done. And it doesn't matter what time of day or night it is, they are there and they look out for each other, they take care of each other, they make sure it's done in a safe and secure way. I was encouraged to step out of my comfort zone right from the very beginning. I learned how to deal with services and breaks, and I wanted to move into understanding how to do main connections. One of the great things about the SFPUC is the ability to move to different sections if you're interested in learning different facets of the operation. And after doing that, you have the ability to move up. And I encourage anybody that I work with to step out of their comfort zone and get into a position where they can advance. Working on a system as large as our water system here is like painting the Golden Gate Bridge. You start from one end and you just keep on going. It's a huge system. It's fascinating to work on, and I'm going to stay here because I will never learn everything there is to learn about this system.